there's certain currents that's moving, there's certain tidal currents, it's telling you that the surf is coming up. When the clouds are moving in a certain direction, or the color of the sunset is telling you of different storms that's moving across. There's so many different signs that the ocean, the skies, that will communicate to you if you know what you're looking for.
Towing surfing is using a jet ski to be towed into waves that is too big to paddle into.
It's a sport of a team, of a group. You can only survive by your teammate, from the man who's pulling you into the wave to the man who's safing you from the side. When that lifeguard has to respond to a worst case scenario, it's a life and death situation. These people are pulling into the biggest barrels and the biggest waves in the deepest zone and the hardest impact area in the most extreme conditions. There's no way humanly possible you could paddle into these waves. So when you wipe out into these massive volume of surf, you're under for just a long, long time. You really need to train not only your mind, but your body and your soul. Get ready for that intense wipe out. What I've been doing lately is I grab this 80-pound lava rock and we'll go running in the channel. We'll just go back and forth, just keep going until we pretty much just tire ourselves out. My biggest strength is knowing my weaknesses and try to strengthen my weaknesses in whatever I do.
The Wave Riders GQ here with your special edition update, your forecast for Big Wednesday. It'll be the biggest swell we've seen all year. Some spots could reach 30 feet, and it's going to be an epic day for Towins and Waimea Bay.
We knew this day was coming. This is the first time that anyone on the island of Oahu has ever attempted to ride waves of this size. We've been out there on 30-foot days before, and this was bigger. This was much larger. January 28th, 1998. First time 35 and 45-foot waves were ever ridden. It's a milestone that'll be measured from now on.